Thanks for checking out our channel. Stick around for a special message.
Good medical morning. I'm your host Adam, and today we've got some fascinating medical clips to look at. Over the past few years, we've shown you some tremendous pimple pops, cysts, and cystic acne. But when these images were submitted, we didn't know if they were real or fake. So stick around because I have that answer coming up. Now, we've seen some large cysts before, like this one with 26 million views. It's called Operation Kill George, and it includes a medical professional removing a large keratin-filled cyst off an individual's back. Cystic acne on this individual's face. Let's take one final look and determine if it's cystic acne, lesions, or something else. So after a little research on the internet, I was able to determine that the work comes to us from DeviantArt, which is normally a site reserved for Photoshop. But in this case, it was done by a talented special effects and makeup artist. She was putting together a costume for her boyfriend for Halloween that she wanted to look like the movie Planet Terror. Monique is a talented special effects artist from Canada. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of her other work from her website. She does everything from prosthetics to makeup to adding hair. Here's an example of a witch she did for Halloween. Pretty cool, right? And again, I want to thank everyone for being part of our channel. Watson and I have been making medical videos for about 4 years now. We've partnered with some of the largest YouTube stars around the web, everywhere from Dr. Sandra Lee, Dr. Gilmore, Dr. ER, the nurse practitioner, Dr. Nail Nipper, Microscope Adventures, and everyone in between. We manage a lot of channels for a lot of folks, and try to bring you entertaining videos literally every single day. We probably average about 4 videos a day on different channels. But frankly, we wouldn't be able to do it without you, the fans, subscribers, and our friends on YouTube. If you haven't already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. It means a lot to us. If you get a chance, support us by checking out Rest More. It's available on Amazon, or pick up a pimple popper kit. Use the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and come back for new videos on this channel every single week.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.
Hello everyone, Dr. Carlo Ogier. Anyone who knows me would know that I wouldn't say this, but I didn't think it was true. On nights that I'm working early the next day, if I'm going to bed and have a lot of things in my mind starts to wander, and the pressure of falling asleep makes me actually be unable to fall and remain asleep. So the other night I was tossing and turning in bed. I've been like an hour, have not fallen asleep, and then I went ahead and took the Restmore 2 tablets. I took them and I said, okay, here goes nothing, and I lay down in bed, and I don't know how long it took, but it didn't take long at all. I didn't toss and turn, I just fell asleep. I thought, well, maybe I psyched myself up, maybe it was just something else. And the other night it happened again. Tossing and turning, I need to get up early to do something. Oh my goodness, I'm not falling. I took 2 tablets of the Restmore, and again, within 10-15 minutes, I was asleep again. I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing, it just puts them to sleep. Restmore is a combination of proprietary blend. It has tryptophan and melatonin, which specifically helps people with sleep shift changes like jet lag, or they have shifts that changes. They have trouble just getting into sleep. It won't leave you groggy, it won't leave you tired the next morning because there's nothing in it that is sedative. So give it a try. So thank you, I hope you give it a try, and please let us know how it worked for you. We'd love to include you on our testimonials. Bye-bye.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night.